Makeover. So today we are playing with the Soph X palette. Now this palette has been out for quite some time. It is came out last year in 2017. It was extremely popular. Soph X is a YouTuber. She started off quite small. She has grown phenomenally big since I've started watching her, really. She's an amazing young lady. I will link her channel down below. Not that she needs any more subscribers. I mean, she has a lot of subscribers. She's really, really big on YouTube now. She currently works with Makeup Revolution, or Revolution Beauty as it is now known, since the big name change. And she does beauty videos for them on their channel. I will link the Revolution Beauty channel for you below as well as doing lots of makeup and reviews and things on her own channel. But she collabed with Makeup Revolution, as was then, and she created a palette. She also created a highlighter palette, but I will not be showing that today. I'm just concentrating on the eyeshadow palette. So it is gorgeous packaging, and on the back it shows you all the colours inside. Then once you open the box, it is a real nice, like, peachy shade. Bless me. Now, a lot of the Makeup Revolution palettes have been black, so it was really refreshing for Soph to come out with a peach coloured palette. So that was really, I think, a drawing point for me, was the packaging as well as the shades inside. So once we open it up, you have your little foil, well, your little acetate with all the names on. You have a gorgeous big mirror, and then you have all of these shades. I'm probably showing you something you already know, so I will get on and show you the swatches. I have done them in advance so that you're not waiting for me to swatch, and it takes less editing as well. So on this arm, I've swatched the first two rows. So we have Penguin, Pancakes, which you can barely see, and I think she meant that to be like a setting powder for your primer on your eyelids. Then we have Fairy Lights, which is a great inner corner highlight. Pink Champagne, it's like a pink inner corner highlight. Iced Coffee, Cup of Tea, which I absolutely love because as Brits like our cup of teas. Grow Old, Sparks Fly, Smoky Bronze, Mixed Berries, Tiramisu, and Peaches. So those are the top two rows. On the next two rows, we have this gorgeous orange, which is Cloudberry, Pumpkin, this beautiful green, Pine Tree, Petrol, which is that blue-brown shift, Pug, and Danger, which is a beautiful red, Strawberry Sweets, Festive Flame, Copper Coin, Mug Cake, Rosewood, and Nightmare, which is a black. So those are all the shades that are in the palette. I'll just remove all of them. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial using some of the purples and these gorgeous pinks. I may even dabble into a bit of the green. I'm not sure yet. We will see what happens. But yeah, this palette retails for £10. It is available at Superdrugs. Yeah, let's get to the makeup tutorial. So the first shade we're going to go into this palette after we've primed our eyes is Pumpkin. So we're going to put this into the crease. And there is a bit of kick up on this palette, but that's normal with Makeup Revolution palettes. And same on the other eye. So there is Peaches in our crease. Switch into a smaller crease brush. We're going to go in with Pumpkin, which is this deep red shade. And we're going to put that into our crease, but lower down than the Peaches shade. Hence why we've changed to a smaller brush. Then using the first brush again, just blend those two together. So there are the two together. Okay, now let's go in with our lid colour, and I think I'm going to go in with Fairy Lights right in the front. So I'm going to go in with a flat brush and I'm going to pick up Fairy Lights. Hope this works. And I'm just going to pat it from the corner of my eye into the centre. This may take a while to build up to get the opacity that you want, but I think it'll be worth it in the end. So there it is, Fairy Lights. And then I'm going to go in with some Strawberry Sweets, and I'm just going to blend that just on the edge of this Fairy Lights. I'm not taking it into the corner, I'm just literally just at the side of Fairy Lights. And then I'm going to go into the corner with Mixed Berries, so this deep purple here. So that is going in the outer corner, just to darken up the outer corner. So now we have Fairy Lights from inner corner to halfway. We have Strawberry Sweets in the centre. And then we have Mixed Berries on the outer corner. So it all goes in. And then we're going to take our blending brush and just blend in the crease. Again, for anyone new watching, I'm not an expert. This is just me playing. So this is me doing what I'm doing. If you think I'm doing wrong, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm always open to, you know, good criticism, you know, helpful criticism. I'm always up for new tips, new tricks. Tell me if I'm doing something wrong. Let me know. But don't be nasty. This is just how I do it. So I am no expert, but this is what I do. So we have that beautiful ombre on the eyes. So that is that. So I'm going to go away, do the rest of my face and come back and we will do the under eyes together. So then we're going to go in as before with my Rimmel Extra 3D Lash Mascara. Again, you can do false lashes, but I'm not going to do that. And that is it. Of course, you can always go in with a black winged eyeliner, which would really set off this eye look. However, me and winged eyeliner, there's another story. But yeah, so I'm going to leave it like this. So that is it. That is my look using the Soph X palette by Makeup Revolution. Beautiful pink and purple shimmery eye look. I hope you enjoyed playing along with me, and yeah, I really do enjoy this palette. Yes, you could so easily go for a nice daytime look with some of the browns that are in there, the nudes, the browns and that sort of shades, but I wanted to go summery and pink this week. So that is that palette. If you do decide to try this tutorial yourselves, please let me know. Email me a picture to show me how it looked on you. If you do a video recreating this look, then please let me know in the comments down below and I will come over and have a look. And yeah, I really enjoyed using this palette as always. So next week for Monday's makeover, which will be Monday the 21st of May, we will be using the Morphe 15D palette. So I got this from a wonderful subscriber of mine, and we have lots of like oranges and browns and nudes. So that's another reason why I stayed away from those colours that are in the Soph X palette, because I knew I was going to be doing this next week and I wanted to give you different looks each week. So last week with the mermaid palette we did lots of greens and blues. Today we've done pinks and purples, and next week we will be doing oranges and browns. So if you want to come and play with me on Monday the 21st of May, then please do. If you haven't got a Morphe 15 palette, you can always find another palette that has similar colours to this, like your Soph X palette, or any sort of brown, orangey, nudie sort of palette, and we can play together. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.